you know what origami means? If you ever made a paper plane, then you've done origami. In this video, we're going to do lots of fun things with paper, and it's going to be so much more than a paper plane. If you want to learn origami, then watch this video. Hello kids!
Hi, Spiky!
I see you all are ready for our next letter.
Yeah!
What are we covering today?
Letter O. O.
I couldn't find a better word than origami for our activity today.
I love origami. Me too.
Can you tell me what origami is?
Origami is when you make things out of paper, like this butterfly.
Oh,
Or like this gun.
this is very cool.
Or
Can you
this
show
bird.
Can you show us what you have on the table?
So right now we have 3 big colored butterflies. We have this bird. Chirp,
We
chirp,
have a
chirp.
dinosaur.
Oh,
We also have mini butterflies like these, and we also have lotus flowers.
Yeah. And we also have a gun. Pew, pew.
Oh,
And we have paper boats.
very nice.
We also have a paper crane.
And me and Regina have paper rings.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Paper folding started in China in the 1st and 2nd century. Then other countries adopted this craft. And in Japan, people fell in love with it. They called it origami. The word origami is derived from 2 Japanese words, ori, which means folded, and kami, which means paper.
So folded paper?
Yes, it's folded paper.
Well, yeah, because you fold the paper to make it origami.
Paper was created sometime around 100 AD. Today, paper is cheap, and everyone can use paper in school or work for arts project, etc.
Yeah.
But in the beginning, paper was very, very expensive and also rare.
Really?
Yes.
Paper was rare?
Only
I read that in a
rich
book.
people, only rich people and influential people could practice origami. An origami gift was also expensive. As paper became more available, then art of origami also became available to all people.
So, like,
Yeah.
if we are 100 AD ago and we had this much paper, we would be considered rich.
Absolutely.
Mr.
Absolutely.
Spiky?
Yes.
I also read in a book that you can also make paper out of bamboo and old trash.
Nowadays, you can make paper from all kinds of different things as you recycle.
Yeah, you can make paper from almost anything.
Yeah.
So what kind of shapes can you make with paper?
I can make a butterfly like this one.
Or a bird. Chirp, chirp, chirp.
I can make a boat like this.
Also a lotus flower.
All right.
Or a
There's a Guinness World Record held by a man called Akira Yoshizawa, who is considered a grandmaster of modern origami. He created over 50,000 of different shapes.
50,000?
Yes.
50,000 in one day?
No.
Oh,
Altogether.
good.
Hi kids, if you like our videos, don't forget to smash that like button.
If he's the master of origami, he can make this, but way
Cooler?
cooler.
Maybe
Absolutely.
he can make it like when you press the trigger, it'll shoot like paper balls.
Oh yeah, like spitballs. Pew, pew.
So do you want to do origami today?
Yeah.
You can show our viewers how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Christian, what are you gonna make?
A boat.
All right. You can take it to a bathtub or a lake later, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And tie a string so it won't float away.
What about you, Melissa? What are you planning to make?
I'm making a heart.
Oh, wonderful. And you, Regina, what are you making?
I'm making one of these butterflies.
All right. Well, go right ahead.
So I go like this. Then like that.
I crease it right here.
We always crease it to make like the creases. So then we go make it. Then I
There.
go like
No.
this. Go like that. I go like. There's
Oh no.
The heart's pretty easy to make.
And we
The butterfly is one of the harder
when we
origami.
make it a book, we never do it on the crease side. We always do it on the crease side to make an airplane if you're making a book.
Look, I finished my paper heart.
Oh,
Already?
That was
Yeah.
super quick, Melissa.
Yeah, because
Well, let me
paper
ask you a
hearts
question.
are really easy to
Let
make.
me ask you a question while others are working on their origami. What other words that start with letter O are important?
Origami is really important, actually.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, for your creativity.
Yeah.
Olives, they keep you healthy.
olives. Thank you, Christian. That's pretty good. Anyone else? Where do our fishes live?
Lake.
Ocean.
Yes, ocean.
Or aquarium.
Aquarium doesn't start with O, but it was a good try, Melissa.
It sounds like it.
Aquarium.
Any other words that start with letter O?
What other words start with the letter O?
Omelets?
Oh yeah,
Yes.
omelets.
That's a
Because
good one.
omelets is a part of food, and without food, you just can't live. We'll starve.
Yes. Well, there's a fruit that starts with letter O and it's very sweet
A fruit that starts with letter O.
and it's sort of yellowish, but it's not.
Why can't I think of this?
It's a mix of yellow and red.
Oh, orange.
Yes! Orange. Okay, Christian, how is it coming along?
Good.
I'm just waiting.
Finally.
And if you make like a heart, you can maybe like kind of like tape it because it like goes like this.
This is a part where you're getting super close. It's a square.
Or
Uh-huh.
like
And
a
what do you do
diamond
after
shape.
that?
Then you fold it like that. Then you crease it. Creasing is one of the most important things.
Of origami. That is true. Mr. Spiky,
Yes.
you know, my sister today was doing origami and she made an origami snake. Well, to be specific, in a cobra.
Wow.
It was like standing up and it was like.
I want to see it.
I'm
Yeah.
almost done.
Mr. Spiky, you know,
Oh,
I
no,
also
I
saw.
ruined it.
No, you didn't.
Mr. Spiky, you know, when I was looking at tutorials of like origami, I saw this tutorial of a super hard bird to make that you could like balance on your finger.
Okay, I'm finishing up my butterfly now. I just have to fold a couple more things, make a couple more creases here.
Whoa, you're so good at that.
Huh?
You're so good at that.
Yeah, I actually made a couple paper butterflies today.
Well, yeah, because then you said you made this.
Yeah.
Mr. Spiky, look.
Yes.
I put
Oh,
the-
that's a beautiful heart. And I think Christian has finished his boat too.
Oh, just in time.
Couple adjustments.
I finished my butterfly.
Beautiful.
Fly, fly.
Oh, are you making a sail for it, like on these?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, the only difference is that this one's pink and this thing's green.
Well, kids, thank you for doing origami today. It was amazing.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Next time, won't you sing with me?
Next week, we're going to release new episode. If you don't want to miss it, then
Don't forget to like and subscribe!
bye!